in today's class when it is in the form of rule 3, when q of x is equals to x to the power of k, pi it's equals to 1 by f of d into q of x, which is equals to 1 divided by f of d into x to the power of k. Now what you're going to do, this f of d you have to reduce into the form of 1 plus or minus phi of d by taking the lowest degree term. You have to reduce this into the form of 1 plus or minus phi of d into x to the power of k. How you are going to reduce it? By taking the lowest term. By taking the lowest term and you are going to reduce it into the form of 1 plus or minus phi of d. After that, you are going to take this denominator part to the numerator. So it will get reduced into the form of 1 plus or minus phi of d whole to the power of minus 1 into x to the power of k. Right, after that what you have to do, you are going to open this 1 plus or minus phi of d whole to the power of minus 1 by using the binomial expansion.
Ma, तुम बड़ा मैन को देखे यहाँ से दिख रहा नहीं उधर
बाद में, right? You're going to open this by using the binomial expansion. Then you're going to operate this x to the power of k to each and every term of this bracket. And here usually the frequently is going to be used when it is in the form of, it will be in the form of 1 frequently you are going to use. The first one will be 1 divided by 1 minus d, which is equals to, can anybody can allow it, or I have to do that one individually? Right. Then it's going to be as a it's equals to 1 minus d whole to the power of minus 1, which is equals to 1 plus d square plus d cube plus so on. Next will be 1 divided by 1 plus d, that you can write as 1 plus d whole to the power of minus 1. Here the terms are going to be alternative terms. 1 minus d plus d square minus d cube plus so on. Next, third will be 1 by 1 minus d whole square, which is equals to 1 minus d whole to the power of minus 2, which is equals to 1 plus 2d plus 3d square plus 4d cube plus so on. Next, fourth will be 1 divided by 1 minus, this will be plus 1 plus d whole square, that you can write 1 plus d whole to the power of minus 2, which is equals to 1 minus 2d then plus 3d square minus 4d cube plus so on. Then similarly, your when it is in the form of cube, 1 by 1 minus d whole cube, which is equals to 1 minus d whole to the power of 3, which is equals to 1 plus 3d plus 6d square minus 4d cube plus so on. Then sixth will be 1 divided by 1 plus d whole to the power of 3, which is equals to, here it's going to be alternative, minus, this should be minus 3, it's equals to 1 minus 3d plus 6d square minus 4d cube plus so on. So these are the frequently which we are going to use for the rule 3 when it is in the form of q of x is equals to x to the power of k. Your pi formula is equals to 1 divided by f of d into q of x, where you are going to reduce your f of d into the form of 1 plus or minus phi of d by taking the lowest degree term from that one. After that, you are going to take it to the numerator so that you can use your binomial expansion, which is equals to these are the 6 binomial that you have to be on your fingertips to solve that problem. Yes, Aditya, did you make the note of this one?
Ma'am, just 2 minutes.
Okay, sure.
Is it plus 3D plus 6D square plus 4D cube or is it minus 4D cube?
Which one?
Ma'am, the fifth one.
Fifth one. This should be plus. Sorry, this series will be plus. When it is 1 minus d, now the complete series will be plus. When it is a plus, then series will be alternative.
It should be 9, right? Or is it 4 itself? Or
4 only. It's as enough 4 only. 1 second, 1 second. 1 minus d, no, it will be not 4. It's going to be as in a 10. Oh God, sorry. This also has to be 10. It's going to be 10, and here is also 10 cube. Completed, Aditya? Shall we see
yes,
one
ma'am. Yeah.
problem based on this one?
Yes.
Ready for the problem? Yes or no?
Yes.